Haiku fan remote not responding? This is one of the most common issues reported in 2025. Remote connectivity problems typically stem from two main causes: battery issues or synchronization loss. First, check the battery. Haiku remotes use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery that typically lasts 12 to 18 months under normal use. Use a multimeter or battery tester to verify the battery outputs 3 volts or higher. If the voltage is below 3 volts, replace the battery immediately. When replacing the battery, ensure correct polarity. The positive side should face up, and make sure the battery makes secure contact with the terminals. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, the remote may have lost synchronization with the fan. This commonly happens after power outages or electrical interruptions. To resync your remote, first hold the fan's power button for 10 seconds to reset the connection. Then, press and hold both the light and fan buttons on your remote simultaneously for 5 seconds. When the pairing is successful, the fan light will flash twice to confirm the connection. Test your remote from various distances and angles to ensure a stable connection throughout your room. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 85% of Haiku fan remote issues. If your remote still doesn't respond after battery replacement and resyncing, advanced reset procedures may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset can resolve persistent connectivity issues. This process clears all stored settings and reestablishes communication between your fan and remote. Persistent connection issues may be caused by radio frequency interference from other devices. Wi-Fi routers, baby monitors, and metal objects can disrupt the 433 MHz signal used by Haiku fans. Haiku fans integrate seamlessly with major smart home ecosystems. Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit compatibility provide voice control and automation features for enhanced convenience. Keep your fan's firmware updated for optimal performance and compatibility. The Big Ass Fans mobile app provides advanced diagnostics, signal strength testing, and troubleshooting guidance for persistent issues. For commercial installations or persistent issues, professional servicing ensures optimal performance. Regular battery replacement and minimizing RF interference are essential for long-term reliability and consistent operation.